In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get best Amtrak discount. To get started, head over to the Amtrak website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look at the top navigation menu because that's where you'll find the section that brings together Amtrak's available offers and savings options. From the top menu, click on Deals. This is the main area of the site where Amtrak highlights ways travelers can save money. If you're trying to book a trip for the lowest possible price, this is a great place to check before you finalize anything, since it can help you quickly see whether you qualify for a discount. After opening the Deals section, go to Everyday Discounts. This page is especially useful because it organizes discounts by traveler type, making it much easier to find the option that fits your situation instead of searching through the whole website. On the Everyday Discounts page, you can review the Child Discounts section. If you're traveling with children, this is one of the first places to look, since it explains whether younger passengers are eligible for reduced fares and what conditions may apply. You can also view the Senior Discounts section. If the traveler qualifies as a senior, this page will help you understand the available savings and how that discount is applied when booking. It's always a good idea to read the eligibility details carefully so you know exactly what to expect. Next, check the Student Discounts section. This is helpful for eligible students looking to lower travel costs, and it's worth reviewing the terms so you can confirm whether the route or fare type is included. Another option listed is the Military Discount. If the traveler is an active member of the military, this page can show what savings are available and any requirements needed to use the offer. You'll also find a Military Child Discount section. This is useful if you're booking for a family and want to see whether additional savings apply for children traveling under a military-related fare category. After that, review the Veterans Discount page. Veterans may be eligible for a separate discount, so it's smart to compare this with the other offers shown in the Everyday Discounts area and use the one that best matches your status. Finally, take a look at the Group Travel Discount section. If you're traveling with multiple people, this can be one of the most valuable categories to review, since group rates may offer better overall savings than individual discounts. By working through these discount categories directly from the Deals and Everyday Discounts pages, you can quickly identify which Amtrak offer gives you the best value for your trip before you book.